Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change chips on your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. Now let's make it for the right one. It's pretty simple, so don't worry. Then select new ear tip size, I'm going with this one, and then attach it. It's also pretty simple, so don't worry. Here we go. And now the right one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!